Hello friends, Colorado School Halol presenting this video for standard 10th English medium. Friends, today we are going to discuss about a lesson chapter number 5 from the first flight book, The 100 Dresses 1. Okay, The 100 Dresses 1 is a beautiful lesson which is described about one little girl, Vanda Petrosky, and her classmates. Okay, how they behave with her, and which kind of the difficulties she faced when she was studying in the school, and what will be the reason why she left the school, and what happened after that, her leaving the school. So everything was described in this lesson very beautifully. Albazor Esther was the writer of this lesson. So beautiful lesson, beautiful story about Vanda Petrosky and other two girls are there. Okay, let's see what is there in the lesson. Before we start, here given some information. How do we judge the people around us? How we are behaving with the people around us? हम लोग कैसे judge करते हैं? How we behave with the people which are living around us by their money, wealth and position. Okay, whatever the position were of them, how much money with him, and which kind of the wealth they were living. So according to that we are describing, or we are judging the people, or is something more entering value to look for a person, or other way we can say the whatever the value in there, means whatever the important nature is there, तो उस हिसाब से हम उस पर्सन को क्या करते हैं, जज करते हैं. वी आर जजिंग दैट पर्सन. दिस स्टोरी इज अ सेंसिटिव अकाउंट ऑफ हाउ अ पुअर यंग गर्ल इज जज्ड बाय हर क्लासमेट. देयर इज अ वन पुअर गर्ल हुज नेम वाज वेंडा पेट्रोस्की, एंड उसको जो है शी वाज judged by her classmate as a poor girl, and every time they all gathered and make the fun of Vanda Petrosky. So just because of that she ashamed and she didn't talk to any of the classmate. Vanda Petrosky is a young Polish girl who goes to the school with other like other girls, other American children and American town. She is a student. Okay, she was a student. Vanda Petrosky was a student and a young Polish girl who goes to the school with the American children and American town. These other children are seen as Vanda as a different. Other children who was studying in the school, they were seeing Vanda as a different girl in many ways. Can you guess how they treat her? Can you guess? Because in that school the children who were studying, they all are belongs with a rich family, and Vanda Petrosky is not as much rich as the other children who were studying in the school. So other students make the fun of her, and all the time she ashamed of her condition, and they are asking for a different type of the question and make the fun of her. So what is there? Read the information in the text below. Find the more about this community or about the related topic from an encyclopedia or the internet. Here given about the some community information is there. This is not important. So let's start our lesson. Today Monday, Vanda Petrosky was not in her seat. Today here story is starting. So the day is Monday and Vanda Petrosky was not sitting in the class or not sitting on her bench. But nobody, not even Peggy and Maddie, the girl who were started all the fun, noticed her absence. The students are not noticed her absent, even though her two girls, Peggy and Maddie, they all time make the fun of Vanda Petrosky. So they also not noticed about that girl Vanda Petrosky. They didn't notice about her absent. Usually Vanda sat in the seat next to the last seat in the last row into the room 13. The class of in which the students are sitting, that is room number 13. Okay, and the Vanda Petrosky was sat into the seat next to the last seat. Okay, she is always sitting at a last seat, okay, into the last row. So room number 13 was the class of that children. Okay, she sat into the corner of the room where the rough boys who did not make a good marks at SAT. Okay, the rough boys means a very rough boys means जो पढ़ाई में अच्छे नहीं होते, they are not good at they are not good into the study, they were sitting at the last benchers. Okay, so वहाँ पे वो बैठती थी. The corner of the room, she was sitting at the corner of the room where the other most suffering or most scuffling of feet. Okay, whatever the mischievous students are there in the class, okay, they sit all the time at the back side of the class. Okay, last 2 or 3 bench are full of the mischievous students, and all the time whenever the teacher is teaching, at the same time they were scuffling of their feet, बराबर पैर नीचे आवाज करते हैं और टीचर को परेशान करने की कोशिश करते हैं. नॉइजी, यहाँ पे here giving the meaning of the scuffling of feet. Okay, noisy dragging movement of the feet on the ground. Okay, so इस तरीके से जो whatever the situation is there, ये describe about that. Most of roars of the laughter when anything funny was said, whatever the funny thing was speaking by any of the person or any of the student or the teacher, the loud laughter was provided by that kind of the students. They are not interesting into the study, just only they are interested, they are taking interest into the mischievous thing. So this kind of the activity will happen always into the class, just because of that last bencher students and mischievous students, you can say, and most mud and the dirt on the floor. Okay, so this is the situation about the Wanda Petrovsky and its position into the class. Next paragraph, what is there? Wanda did not sit there because she was rough and noisy. Wanda did not sit there just because she is rough and noisy, because she was very polite. Why? Then why she was sitting at the last bench, and why she was sitting into the corner? On the contrary, she was very quiet and rarely said anything at all. She was by nature, she was very shy, and she didn't spoke anything to anyone. So you can say that Wanda is very quiet and she didn't speak anything to anyone. And nobody had ever heard her laugh or loud, and nobody in the class till here not listening about her laugh or her at a loud voice. Okay, sometimes she twisted her mouth into the cooked sort of a smile, but that was all. Okay, sometimes she was just smiling, but that is a common thing, okay, for that. But you can't see Wanda Petrovsky doing any kind of mischievous, or even you can't see Wanda Petrovsky as laughing. Okay, nobody know exactly why Wanda sat into in that seat. No one into the class knows about why Wanda Petrovsky was sitting at the last bench, unless it was because she called all the way from the Bogins Heights. Bogins Heights is it's a area from which Wanda Petrovsky came. Okay, so she came from the Bogins Height. And Bogin side, you can say that the people who are very in poor condition, they were living in that area, Jhupadpatti area, you can say. Okay, so Bogin side, from Bogin's Heights she came, and her feet were usually caked with the dry mud. Just because of their area, dirty area, her feet, उसके जो पैर होते थे वो किससे, mud से dry रहते थे. But no one really thought much about Wanda Petrovsky. No one has a time, no one care to thought about Wanda Petrovsky and its position, why she came and why she is suffering, why she is ashamed of her position, why she is sitting into the corner. No one is ready to see about that. Once she sat into the corner of the room, once she came into the class and sat into the corner of the room. Okay, the next paragraph. The time when they thought about Wanda was outside of the hours. Whenever the students were onto the playground, at that time they were making the mischievous thing with the Wanda Petrovsky, and that time the students were thought about the Wanda Petrovsky. At noon time, when they were coming back to the school, or into the morning early, whenever they go back to the home from the school, or whenever the early morning before the school begin, at that time they remember about the Wanda Petrovsky. Groups of the 2 and 3 or even more would be talking and laughing on their way to the schoolyard. This is the picture of every school. You can see before starting the school and after completing the school, the students are making the crowd and they are doing the mischievous activity, and they are doing all the time of the fun of the students with there. Okay, then sometimes they waited for Venda, and sometimes they were waited for Venda. Why they are waited for Venda? Because they want to make the fun of the Venda. So that's why they waited for a Venda to have fun with her. Okay, the next day, Tuesday, this is the story about the Monday was Venda Petrovsky absent, and which kind of the nature Venda Petrovsky has, that we already studied. Okay, the next day is about the Tuesday. Venda was not in the school again. She didn't came to the school either, and nobody noticed her absence again and again. You can say no one is ready to notice about her absence. But on Wednesday, Peggy and Maddie, who sat down the front with the other children who got the good marks and who didn't track into the hall lot of mud, did notice that Venda wasn't there. There are two other characters in the class, Peggy and Maddie. They always sit ahead of the class, in front bench of the class, and on which position the students are sitting there who got the good marks into the class. So they were thinking about the Venda Petrovsky on the next day, Wednesday. They were thinking about that why Venda was not came. So this is the matter about them. So what is there? Peggy was the most popular girl in the school. If you are talk about the Peggy was the most popular girl in the school. This question will ask into the exam, who was the most popular girl in the school? Peggy was the most popular girl in the school. She was pretty. Why she was popular? Because she was pretty. She had many plenty clothes and hair was curly. Okay, here given about her physical appearance. She was pretty. She has plenty of clothes, and her hair was curly. That's why Peggy was very popular into the school. And Maggie also her friend. Maggie was her class closest friend. Maggie was the closest friend of the Peggy. Okay, so the reason Peggy and Maddie noticed the Venda's absence was because Venda had made them late to school. Okay, why Venda made him to late the school? They had wanted and waited for a Venda to have some fun with her. Okay, all the time they were waited for a Venda. Okay, and they whenever Venda met them, at that time they made the fun of the Venda. So they were waiting for the Venda. She just hadn't come, but today Wednesday she hadn't come. So they noticed about the Venda Petrovsky. They often waited for a Venda Petrovsky to have a fun with her. Why they were waited for Venda Petrovsky? Just because they wanted to make the fun with her. Okay, here given the 4 questions are there. So okay, you have to write down this questions answer in your notebook. Okay. Venda Petrovsky, most of the children into the room number 30 room 13 didn't have names like that. Okay, Venda Petrovsky is you can say a different name from the other children, because other children have a simple name, but Venda Petrovsky is a different name. So here the students have a chance to make the fun on the name of her surname and name. Okay, so in 13 room she has a different name, like they had a name easy to say. Okay, Thomas, Smith, Eileen. Okay, these are the name of the students who were studying into the room 13. But Venda Petrovsky, the name is always different, looking like a different, so they make the fun of the name. Okay, there was one boy named Bounce. Okay, in that class the one boy is there whose name was Bounce, Willie Bounce, and the people thought that was funny, and people think that it was funny to have a name like a Bounce. Okay, but not funny in the same way that Venda Petrovsky was, but not that way funny. जैसे वेंडा पेट्रोस्की जितना फनी नाम था, वट एवर द फनी नेम ऑफ द वेंडा पेट्रोस्की, इतना फनी ये नहीं था. ओके, Venda didn't have any friends. Venda didn't have any friends because all the students in their room 13 make the fun of her. So she didn't have any friend. She came to the school alone and went to go home alone. She always wear a faded blue dress. वो faded means पुराना, बराबर है वो पुराना फटा हुआ एक ही ब्लू कलर का. She was all the time wearing a blue color dress, faded blue dress, जिसका कलर भी उड़ा हुआ था. That didn't हंग राइट, ओके हैंग राइट, बिकॉज वो फिटिंग भी इतना नहीं था अच्छी तरीके से, किसी से मांगा हुआ या किसी ने दिया हुआ था ऐसा लग रहा था. इट्स लाइक ऐसा लग रहा था कि हैंग करा हुआ है, लटकाया हुआ है. इट वॉज क्लीन, बट इट वॉज क्लीन, बट इट्स लुक थ्रू दैट इट हैड नेवर बीन आयरन प्रॉपरली. बराबर है, ओके उसको अच्छी तरीके से आयरन इस्त्री नहीं किया गया था. दैट्स वाई इट्स लुक डल, लुक लाइक अ डल. ओके she didn't have any friends, but a lot of girls talked to her. Okay, she didn't have any friend, but many of the girls are talked to her. Sometimes they surrounded her into the schoolyard as the school as he stood watching the little girls play. Hopscotch onto the one head around. Hopscotch is a name of game in which children hop into the over square mark into the ground. जैसे हम पकड़ दाव खेलते हैं वैसे hopscotch is a name of a game in that school was playing by the other children. तो sometimes क्या होता था, she stand into the yard, okay school yard, वो school yard में खड़ी रहती थी and watching about the game of the game which were playing by the other student. Venda Peggy would say into the most courteous manner as though. वेंडा ऐसा करके उसने मोस्ट कार्टीरियस वे, उसने इस तरीके से बुलाया, एक अजीब वे में उसको बुलाया, मतलब अच्छी तरीके से बिहेव करते हुए जैसे कहते हैं, इस तरीके से वेंडा करके उसने उसको बुलाया. पैगी वॉज कॉल्ड वेंडा विथ अ गुड मैनर. ओके as though she were talking to Miss Mason. Venda, she would say, giving one of her friend a nudge, tell us how many dresses did you say to had hanging up in closet. Now Peggy came to near Venda and asking that how many dresses you have. Okay, all the time they were making the fun of her. उसको पूछते थे हर टाइम कि तुम्हारे पास कितने ड्रेसेस है तुम्हारे क्लोसेट के अंदर. क्लोसेट का मतलब क्या होता है, कपबोर्ड जिसके अंदर कपड़े रखे हुए होते हैं. तो यू कैन सी दिस इज द कर्ली हेयर गर्ल हुज नेम इज़ पैगी, और ये जो है वो मैडी है. बराबर, ये दूसरी गर्ल है उसकी क्लासमेट है. एंड दे वर, दिस इज द वेंडा पेट्रोस्की इनटू द ब्लू ड्रेस. ओके, यू कैन सी इन दिस पिक्चर एंड all these three girls are making the fun of this and she ashamed of her, asking the question, they are asking that तुम्हारे पास कितने ड्रेसेस है, और आपके पास बहुत सारे ड्रेसेस है आपके क्लोसेट के अंदर, ऐसा बोलकर वो सब हंसते थे. बराबर, उसका मजाक उड़ाते थे देवर. तो वेंडा उसको रिप्लाई करती थी 100. वेंडा वुड से, वेंडा क्या कहती थी, मेरे पास कितने ड्रेसेस है, तो मेरे पास 100 ड्रेसेस, आई हैव 100 ड्रेसेस. 100 exclaim all the little girls incredulously, and the little ones would stop playing hopscotch and listen. और दूसरे जो बच्चे होते थे, whatever the other students are busy into the playing that हॉपस्कॉच, वो वहाँ पे खड़े हो जाते थे और वो उसका जो रिप्लाई होता था, वट एवर द रिप्लाई वॉज गिवन बाय हर, तो वो उसको सुनकर वो एकदम से शॉक हो जाते. 100 ड्रेसेस उसके पास, इन स्पाइट ऑफ दैट सी इज वियरिंग जस्ट वन ओनली, या 100 ऑल लाइन अप. और वो कहती थी हाँ मेरे पास 100 है और सारे लाइन के अंदर रखे हुए. सेड वेंडा रिप्लाइड दैट आई हैव 100 ड्रेसेस एंड ऑल दे वर लाइन अप इन माई रूम. Then her thin lips draw together in a silence. After giving that reply, again उसके जो lips होते थे वो चुप हो जाते थे, silence हो जाते थे. Okay, what are they like? All silk, I bet, said Peggy. Peggy again made a fun of her. और वो कहती थी कि जैसे कैसे होंगे वो सब सिल्क के होंगे, चलो शर्त लगा लो सारे सिल्क के ही होंगे. शी वॉन्ट्स टू मेक अ फन ऑफ द वेंडा पेट्रोस्की, और वो उसको कहती है कि सारे सिल्क के ही होंगे, ऐसा कर कर उसकी मजाक उड़ाती है. तो कहती है या ऑल सिल्क, सारे सिल्क के ही है, और कलर्स, और सारे कलर के मेरे पास है. वेलवेट टू, वो दूसरा क्वेश्चन शी इज आस्किंग अबाउट कि ये वेलवेट के भी है, या वेलवेट टू. 100 ड्रेसेस, आई हैव 100 ड्रेसेस, वेंडा सेड. वेंडा वुड रिपीट स्टेलोडिडली. स्टेलोडिड का मतलब नो शोइंग एनी फीलिंग, किसी भी फीलिंग को दिखाया भी ना. वो कहते हैं यस आई हैव 100 ड्रेसेस एंड ऑल आर सेटअप इनटू द वन वे. ओके, अच्छी तरीके से मैंने सेटअप करे हुए हैं और सारे लाइन के अंदर है और मेरे क्लोसेट के अंदर है. हर बार यही आंसर देती थी. देन दे वुड लेट हर गो, एंड देन बिफोर शी वुड गॉन very far they couldn't help bursting into the shriek and peals of laughter. जैसे ही वो वहाँ से जाती है, whenever she went from there, जैसे ही थोड़ा दूर जाती थी, तो went from the far from there, थोड़ा सा ही दूर जाती थी और सब लोग क्या करते थे, अगेन उसका मजाक उड़ाने लगते थे, ये हो उसके पास तो 100 ड्रेसेस है और ऐसा बोल के ऑल दे वर लाफ्ड, सब लोग उसका मजाक उड़ाकर क्या करते थे, हंसने लगते थे. तो ऐसा ऑल द टाइम होता था. दिस काइंड ऑफ द सिचुएशन वर मेड बाय द स्टूडेंट ऑफ देयर ऑल द टाइम. द 100 ड्रेसेस, ऑब्वियसली द ओनली ड्रेस वेंडा हैड वाज द ब्लू. ओके, दे वर जब वो चली जाती थी, व्हेन शी वेंट अवे फ्रॉम देयर, दे वर डिस्कसिंग इनटू द ग्रुप दैट ऑल द टाइम शी इज आस्किंग दैट शी हैज 100 ड्रेसेस, बट व्हेनेवर वी सी हर ऑल द टाइम शी इज वियरिंग ब्लू वन ओनली. तो एवरी डे तो उसको बदलने चाहिए, 100 ड्रेसेस हो तो डेली में तो रोज चेंज करके आऊँ, बट शी इज़ वियरिंग ब्लू ओनली. वाई डिड शी से शी हैड 100? तो ऐसा झूठ क्यों बोलती होगी कि वाई शी इज़ टेलिंग लाइक दैट शी हैज़ 100 ड्रेसेस? व्हाट अ स्टोरी, क्या स्टोरी होगी उसके पीछे? हाउ मैनी शूज डिड यू से यू हैड? ओके, तो अगेन उसको दूसरा क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है, तुम्हारे पास कितने शूज़ है? 60 पेयर्स ऑल लाइन अप इन माई क्लोजेट. ओके, 60 पेयर है मेरे पास और सारे मेरे क्लोजेट के अंदर है. Cries of the exaggerated politeness gathered this all alike. और क्या होता है कि सब लोग जोर जोर से हंसने लगते हैं. अगेन they were laughing, और ऐसा बोलकर सब उसका मजाक उड़ाते हैं. ओह नो, एवरी पेयर इज डिफरेंट, ऑल कलर्स, ऑल लाइन अप, और सारे जो है वो ऑल द पेयर इज डिफरेंट. आई हैव अ शूज, 60 pair of shoes and all are different or are of color and they are line up in my closet. ऐसा बोलकर वो वेंडा पेट्रोस्की का मजाक उड़ाते थे. So they know वेंडा पेट्रोस्की is a poor girl or that is not possible to have 100 dresses with her, or if she has, why didn't she wear? Okay, लेकिन वो उसको मुंह पे नहीं बोलते थे, उसके पीठ के पीछे उसकी बुराई करते थे. So friends, till here we stopped our explanation. I hope about the Venda Petrosky, what I explained about this lesson, you guys can understood about this lesson. So this is the part number 1 about this lesson. In our next video, part number 2, we will see the further story of this lesson. Okay, related to this video, whatever the question answers are there, that I will send you to the PDF that you have to write down in your notebook. In our next video, we will discuss about the remaining part of this lesson. Okay friends, bye, take care.